This quick video tutorial will show you the steps to create a minimalist email signature from a template. Using a custom HTML block, you can use this email signature type to add an email marketing platform like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign in the footer area. In the first step, select a template using the minimalist category. This template looks good. Now, to explain, I will add information to the signature, a headshot, and moving the greeting part to the header. Save the changes and click the Paste in Email button. You can get the HTML signature code to paste into the email marketing platform in this part.